Hi, I'm Bart.
And I'm Matt.
Welcome to another do-it-yourself video. Today we will discuss how to replace your camper's stabilizer jack. Whether you are looking to upgrade or just simply replace these items, you are in the right place. Today's video will cover the manual crank-up style stabilizer. Should you encounter the need to replace a stabilizer for what could be a multitude of reasons, we will show you how and what you need to know.
To kick this video off, let's share with you, these are stabilizers and not rated or designed to jack your rig off the ground. Again, they're intended to simply stabilize your rig while camping.
Good point, Matt. We get that question a lot. With that said, what's involved?
First, you will want a replacement stabilizer of the same size and style. After getting that, we'll need to get a few tools around for the project.
Let's dig in. We will start with safety. Let's chock those tires so the unit won't move while we are under it. Next, depending on your location, a tarp to lay on or maybe a scrap piece of carpet can be used if needed. If replacing at a campsite, this would be helpful instead of laying on the ground.
From brand to brand, you may see different fasteners used. This is common and no cause for alarm. You may see tech screws, as commonly called, which are self-drilling screws used in manufacturing, or bolts and nuts, or possibly portions welded. It is reasonable to see this in many configurations. After examining your particular setup, remove the equipped bolts, screws, or if welded, you can grind the welds off to remove the old stabilizer, and do not forget those safety glasses.
After stabilizer is removed, verify the replacement is comparable and clean the frame mounting surface for the new stabilizer. Place the new stabilizer up to frame and start your first bolt with a screw gun to hold the stabilizer in place. We do recommend using a bolt and nut on at least one of the 4 mounting holes. This is a means of retaining the stabilizer to the frame in the event a fastener should break off during transit.
After the stabilizer has had all the fasteners installed, go ahead and run it down and try it out. If all is smooth and the stabilizer extends and retracts fully and smoothly, then you're done. Congratulations, you've changed your stabilizer, saving you time and money.
If you found this video helpful or have other suggestions to camp better, please leave us a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more do-it-yourself videos, or visit KeystoneRV.com to see all of our content.
Hey, thanks for watching. From Bart and I, we'll see you out there.